Okay. A, we do inverse operation plus inverse minus multiplication inverse division. So plus 2, how we eliminate it? We do inverse operation. We subtract 2. We subtract to 2 both sides. Then plus 2 minus 2 cancels out. They undo each other. So that becomes 0. X comes down. Equal 4 minus 2, 2. So A answer will be 2. Danny, okay. Danny, you got the right answer. Danny, I'm going to give you challenge problem. Try this one. When you get stuck, let me know. I'll explain. Hello, Dana. We are doing number 1B and C. Try it out this one, Diana. And then when you get the answer, send me a message. Okay, let's do B together. And then I will give it time for C. B, again, we need to isolate X term. In order to do that, eliminate plus 1. How we eliminate it? Inverse operation. Plus inverse minus. So I'm going to subtract 1 to both sides. Then plus 1 minus 1, they undo each other. That becomes 0. And 2x comes down. Equal -5 minus 1. Everyone send me a message. What is -5 minus 1? Again, it's okay. You have no idea, but let's try it out. What is -5 minus 1? Send me a message. Okay. Someone said 6. Anyone else? No one? Answer is -6. Do you remember? When we have negative minus, we add them when we have a negative minus. In other words, again, when you get confused, draw the number line and subtracting a number going left side. So that's -4, that's -3, that's -6, that's -7. So we start from -5 and we subtract 1. What happened? Go to left side. So answer will be -6. Now, not sure, Danny. Which question are you referring? A, B, C, or challenge? Challenge. Oh, I need to check. Probably, yeah. Actually, Danny, you got the right answer. Now that's called coefficient. We mentioned many times coefficient. Coefficient and variable. What's the operation between them? Multiplication. So what's the multiplication inverse? Division. So what do? We divide by 2 both sides. Then 2 over 2 become 1. 1 times x become x. 6 divided by 2, 3. But we have a negative, so become negative 3. Now, Danny, I will give you a little bit harder one. Everyone try C. Danny, try this one. Again, everyone try C. And Danny, you will have challenge problem. That's fine. You can try. You can keep practicing it. So whenever you see geo, whenever you see the negative, circle it. That's what I usually do. Here, if you circle it, you don't forget it. And Danny, your problem will be this. Try this one. That will be hardest problem. And then everyone else, try C. Anyone getting it or stuck? Please send me a message for C. I need more time or stuck. Okay. Matthew, Diana, what about you guys? Need more time or stuck? Okay. Then let's do it together. We do distribution property. We distribute it. Then 3 times x, 3x, minus 3 times 3, 9, equal to 12. Again, we need to isolate x term. So how we do it? We eliminate minus 9. How we eliminate it? Inverse operation. What's the inverse of minus? Plus. Inverse of minus will be plus. So we add 9 to both sides. Then 3x comes down. minus 9 plus 9, they undo each other. That becomes 0. 12 plus 9, that's 21. Now I'm going to continue here. We have 3x equal to 21. One more time, that's coefficient. That's a variable. What's the operation between them? Multiplication. So what's the inverse of multiplication? Division. So we divide by 3. Gio, I think you got it up to here. And then you said 21. So x equal 7. And Danny, you get 9 over 4. To be honest, I don't know the answer, so let me check. 3 over 4, 9 over 4, 6 over 4. Danny, you got correct answer. Good. Now, next one, number 2 was writing all, one, no. Solution. Problem. One more time. All solution meaning we have infinitely many solutions. And one solution we intersect one time. So graphically, all solution meaning I have this graph, and then I have another graph that overlapping, which means that they're identical. Any x value here will be our solution. That's all solution meaning. Now, one solution, when the graph intersect one time, for example, here and here, then what happened? They intersect at one point. Now, no solution one, when they never intersect, which means when they're parallel. This case, they never intersect means no solution. Now, algebraic way, you guys try this one. You just need to write all, one, no, one of them. First one, now try this ABC. Matthew, A is correct. A correct, but B and C is not correct. If you have no idea, let me know. Oh, you lost. Okay, that's fine. Let's wait other people, Gio, for a while. It's totally fine. We're gonna go over. Don't worry about it. Danny, Diana, you guys doing good? Oh, Danny, one more time. We are not solving any equation here. You need to state it all, one, no. That's all you need to do. Diana, that's explanation in Spanish. Not correct. Okay, let's see. Let's do easier one first. B. B or solution. Why? Look at both equation. Look at x plus 3 and x plus 3. They're exactly same, meaning that overlapping. They're identical. You can choose any x value. This equation will make sense. For example, x equals 0, then 3 equal to 3, which is true. When x equal 1, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 equal to 4. Also true. When x equal 10, 13 equal to 13. So also true. Which implies that all the time, whatever you choose the x value will be true. Hence, all solution. Now, algebraic way is I'm going to subtract x to both sides. I'm going to subtract x. Then x minus x, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. X minus x, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Which is true. Since all the time it is true, all the solutions work. Now let's look at C. We're going to come back to A later. C. C will be no solution. Why? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to subtract 2x to both sides. Then 2x cancels out. Negative 1 equal 3, which is a false. So there's no x value that make this equation equal to each other. Hence, no solution. Graphically, parallel. Why parallel? Because slope is 2. Slope is 2. Y-intercept is negative 1. Y-intercept is plus 3. So they are parallel and never intersect. Now A. A, we can solve it. I'm going to subtract 2x to both sides. Then x plus 2 equal to negative 1. I'm going to subtract 2 to both sides. Then x equal to negative 3. So we have a solution. Why this happen is, graphical perspective, slope is 2, slope is 3. When they have a different slope, they will intersect one time. So one solution. Now, think about what we just did. And if you have any question, if you don't get it, let me know. I'm going to explain one more time. When you're ready to move on, send me ready so I can just move on to the next problem. Okay. One person ready. Two people ready. I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes. Okay, I will move on then. Now, number three, solving system of linear equation. As I said, answer must be x comma y. For example, like 2 comma 3 or like 1 half comma 2, -1 comma -3. You know, anything like x comma y form must be your answer. For example, A, x equal to y equal x minus 4. Now solve this one. If you get the right answer, I'm gonna give you thumbs up. Almost. Almost. Joe. Calculation mistake. Very close. Very close, Joe. Um, Joe, your answer must be x comma y. I think you forget this. Um, very close. Just you need to rewrite it. Think about what that meant, Joe. Almost you got it. Danny, you got the correct answer. Danny, I'm gonna give you harder material. Try this one. Actually, Danny, let me change the problem. Now, try this one, Danny. Other people, okay. Let's do 8 together. What we're gonna do substitution method. What was a substitution method? We replacing it. We exchanging it. We replacing x with a 2. So I'm gonna substitute here. Then we will get y equal 2 minus 4. Be careful here. 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes. But 2 minus 4, you subtract bigger number. So you need to get negative 2. And what did I say? Answer must be x comma y. What is x? 2. What is y? Negative 2. So answer must be 2 comma negative 2. Got it? Yes. That's why I said very close. You just need to rewrite it. Now, try B. Try B. And Matthew here. Danny here. Gio here. And Dana here. Uh, I'm gonna give you guys a bonus point on the test. You guys will get 3 more points. And if you did all the homework, you will get 13 points total on the test. So if you didn't do it yet, do the homework during the break. So even though you get below 70, you have chance to pass it. Then not correct. Retry it. Okay. You guys lost. Let's do it together. Again, y equal x plus 1. Y equal 3x plus 5. So what do we do? Substitution. How? Instead of y, I'm gonna substitute. Why? How we can do that? Because both of them equal to y. So instead of y, I can write it x plus 1. Then I will get x plus 1 equal 3x plus 5. From here, as I said, we need to isolate x, but we have an x on the both side. Can I solve it? No. Then what do? I need to eliminate one of the x. How we eliminate it? Inverse operation. This is a positive x. What's the positive inverse? Negative. So I'm going to subtract x to both sides. X minus x, 0. Plus 1 comes down, become 1. 3x minus x, 3x minus x. In front of x, there's a 1, but we omitted. So 3 minus 1, 2, 2x. And plus 5 comes down. And again, we need to isolate x term. So I'm going to eliminate plus 5. How we eliminate it? Inverse operation. So minus 5 to both sides. One more time. 5 minus 1 is a 4, but 1 minus 5, we subtract bigger number, so it becomes negative 4. So become negative 4 equal 2x. What's the operation between 2 and x? Multiplication. So what do we do? Inverse operation. What is the inverse of multiplication? Division. So we divide by 2. Then, yes, Danny, correct. 2 over 2 become 1. 1x equal to 4 divided by 2 is a 2, but we have a negative sign, so negative 2. Again, our answer must be x comma y. So we need to find what's the y value. How? We use one of the equation. How we use it? You just substitute. Which one? You think easier one. I think this is the easier one. Then we have y equal x plus 1. X is a negative 2. What do I do? Substitute. Then y equal negative 2 plus 1, which is negative. So what's the answer? Negative 2 comma negative. Now write it down, and if you don't get any part, let me know. And whenever you're ready, send me ready. So we go over the last problem. I'm gonna wait one more minute and then we move on. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Let's do last problem. Number 4, simplifying. Again, simplifying, you're not solving it. You just need to find, you're not finding x. You just need to add or subtract. Let's try this one. That's a 7, by the way. Correct. Penny, one thing, you cannot write it plus minus. So you need to simplify it. Meaning that you can write only one operation. Yes, but you made a mistake somewhere. Think about it. Yes. Denny, I think you are ready. Just I'm gonna upload one practice problems. Do that one. Then I think you will pass it. When you get confused or if you have no idea, again, let me know. We're gonna go over it together. Anyone got A? Please send me the answer if you got the A. Geo. Okay. Simply, what is a 2 plus 7, guys? What is 2 plus 7? Yes. What is it? 2x plus 7x then? 2 plus 7 is 9. What is 2x plus 7x? Yes, 9x. That's it. That's it. Why that happened? Because they're like terms. What did I say? Like terms, you can add, you can subtract. But x and 3, they're not like terms. This is a variable, this is a constant. You cannot add it. So leave it. Now try B. Denny, I'm going to give you how the problem. Try this one. Okay, let's see. Again, in front of x, there's a 1, but we omit it. So this is a 1x minus 3x. So what is a 1 minus 3? Send me a message. What is 1 minus 3? Yes. So what is 1x minus 3x? Oh, yes. 1 minus 3 is a negative 2. Then what is 1x minus 3x? That would be negative 2x. Oh, yes. Again, 1 plus 2 is a 3. 1x plus 2x will be just 3x. Yeah. So 1x minus 3x, that will be negative 2x. So negative 2x. Now, what is 5 minus 8? 5 minus 8. Yes, negative 3. That's it. There's nothing we can do. Because x and constant, they're not like terms. You cannot add it, you cannot subtract it. Okay. That's all. One more time, we were gonna have another Zoom meeting. I'm gonna do just keep repeating the same thing. I'm gonna every single Zoom meeting, I'm gonna go over solving equation, write all one no solution. Number three, solving system of linear equation, and then simplifying it. So if you're not sure, please join every single meeting. And also, I'm gonna post our note what we did. So go over and practice. Also, I'm gonna write. I'm gonna post practice problem set. Okay. All right. That's all for today. Next meeting will be Tuesday. 2 days later. 2 days later. Tuesday, 2:30 to 3:30. So we're gonna start from 2:30. So please join. And also check Canvas that I'm gonna upload material. I'm gonna upload our notes. I'm gonna upload some kind of worksheet. Yes, Danny, good work. You got all correct. All right, that's all for today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.